Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn Bobcat Service Analyzer, the official tool for Bobcat loaders and excavators. Compact machines, serious diagnostics. Plug into the machine data port and select the model. Service Analyzer connects to the controllers and confirms machine identity, hours, and software versions. Read current and stored codes with plain descriptions. The history shows how often each fault returns. Rental machines especially carry stories in their fault history. Monitor engine and hydraulic data live. Watch pressures while operating the loader arms. Underload is where weak pumps and tired relief valves confess. After control system repairs, calibrate the joysticks and drive response. The guided steps take minutes and make the machine feel factory fresh to the operator. Configure attachment settings and hydraulic flow for the tools the machine actually runs. Correct flow protects both the attachment and the machine's hydraulic system. Service tips. Vibration loosens connectors on compact machines, check them first. Keep power stable during sessions. And log the machine hours with every service record. That is Bobcat Service Analyzer in daily use. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at DIAGTECHPRO.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.